Hello, welcome. Let us have some problems of chapter probability. Two dice are thrown together. Find the probability of getting a doublet. Second one, sum divisible by 5. Third bit, sum of at least 11. Already we had one class of problems. Little different variety I am explaining today. When two dice are thrown together, we get these outcomes are possible. These are the possible outcomes. Okay? So the possible number of possible outcomes are starting with 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like that total 36. Number of possible outcomes are for all the bits 36. Yes or no? Now first bit is how many doublets are there? Doublet means same number on both the dice. So you know 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So for the doublets are number of favorable outcomes for the first bit is number of favorable outcomes is 6. Okay. So probability of getting a doublet is favorable outcomes is 6, possible outcomes is 36. 6 1 ja 6 6 are 1 by 6. Now second bit, sum divisible by 5. That means the numbers divisible by 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. But you see the sum, highest sum is 6 plus 6 is 12. Lowest sum is 1 plus 1 is 2. So in between 2 and 12, we have only 5 and 10. So whose sum is 5 and 12? Let us see. Starting with 1, this one, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1 and also 4, 6. 4, 1 is 5, 4, 6 is 10. 5, 5 and 6, 4. These all are, the sum is divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for the second bit, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 7. Number of favorable outcomes is 7. So probability of getting a sum divisible by 5 is equal to favorable outcomes is 7 and possible outcomes is 36. This itself is in simplest form, so we need not simplify. We cannot simplify it. And your third bit is a sum of at least 11. The meaning is at least 11 means either 11, sum should be 11 or more than 11. So you see 1, 6, sum is 7, 2, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 4, 6, 10. But you are given sum of at least 11. So all these, starting with for all these we won't get. From 5 we see at least 7, 5, 6. This one let me 5, 6, 11. 6 plus 5 also 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. At least 11 means these are 11, this is 12. So favorable outcomes are 3 here. So number of favorable outcomes for your third bit is 3. I think it is clear to you. So probability of getting a sum of at least 11 is equal to favorable number of favorable outcomes is 3 and out of 36 when two dice are thrown together. 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. So 1 by 12. Okay. So this is how you have to find solve the problem, and let me explain you one more and different variety. So your second question is this. A box contains 7 blue, 8 white and 5 black marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be black? Second one blue or black. Third one not black. fourth one green. So what is the total number of marbles here? Total number of marbles is 7 plus 8 plus 5. 7, 8, 15 plus 5, 20. So this is the possible outcomes. Total number of marbles is 20. That is, number of possible outcomes is 20. Out of 20, let us see for each bit what is favorable. First one, black. How many black marbles are there? 5. 5. Number of black marbles are 5. That means number of black marbles, that itself is favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 5. Yes or no? So probability of getting a black marble is, probability of getting a black marble means number of favorable outcomes is 5. So possible outcomes is 20. 5 100, 5 20 is so 1 by 4 is the number probability of getting a black marble. Now your second bit is blue or black. That means either blue. Total 20 marbles are there in the box. When you pick up, when a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability of getting a blue or a black marble? So blue marbles are 7, black marbles are 5. 7 plus 5 is the favorable outcomes. Okay? Here, number of blue or black, that is the favorable outcomes. Number of blue or black marbles is equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12, that is favorable outcomes. They are the favorable outcomes. So probability of getting a blue or black marble is equal to number of favorable outcomes is 12, possible is 20. 4 3s are, 4 5s are. So the answer is 3 by 5. Now third bit is not black. That means not black means either blue or white. Not black means either blue or white. So either blue or white, how many are there? 15. That means 5 are black and 15 are not black. Number of not black marbles. Number of marbles which are not black. Number of marbles not black is equal to 7 plus 8, 15. So this is the 15 is the favorable outcomes for the third bit. Favorable outcomes is 15. So probability of getting a not black marble is 15 favorable out of 20. 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 3 by 4. And your fourth bit is green marbles. How many green marbles are there? In the question nowhere green is there. 7 blue, 8 white, 5 black are there. But there are no no green marbles. Asking what is the probability of a green marble? You know that this is no green marble is there. Impossible. This event is known as an impossible event because there are no green marbles. Number of green marbles is 0. Number of green marbles is equal to 0. That is favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 0. So let me do here. So probability of getting a green marble is equal to 0 by 20, that is 0. If the probability of an event is 0, the event is said to be an impossible event. I hope this is clear to you. In the next class, some more sums I am going to explain you. Okay? Thank you.